showing you guys now is how to make video animation or whiteboard video animation. So we are going to be using this app which is called Easy Sketch Pro. Alright, I'm going to click on it right now. This app is a paid app. It's a paid app, but I was able to crack the app without making any payment. So I just have to just write anything on the email, or let me say authentication code. So I just write anything at all. But I think this keep me in. I'm not supposed to be using my data to always come in. I always He always want me to on my data, not in order to allow me to use the app, but it's not supposed to be so because I have already clicked on what is keep me in, so I don't usually like feel like it should be showing me this always. To always it should always it always want me to make my data on before I can be able to use the app, but which is not supposed to be so. All right, so we are going to the Easy Sketch Pro now. Just click OK. You can see my data is used. Yeah. So okay, without my data it will not work. So I just have to, I can then off the data. Can off it now. So now, new project, open project. Like maybe say open project, new project is this just this project we are just looking at now. Then open project, is just those one that you are already doing or that is done already. Like maybe you want to open it again and redo. Yeah. Then save project. What you done, you want to save it. Then save as, maybe in other forms. There is a way you want to save, whether as MP4, I don't know, but we'll get to know that. The new slide. This is slide one. This is slide one, slide one. Then you can also add new slide. This slide two. Add another. So image, those image you want to use for your white um video animation. Then the text, yeah, talking about the font, how to body it and stuff like that. Maybe you want to add videos, also music, you want to add music. Then voice over. Maybe you want to add voice to this your video animation. Okay, the background, and the hand that is going to, I mean, to put in direction on how your video animation is going to be displayed. Okay, the timeline. In timeline is like, we get to know that, don't worry. Then preview, once preview your work, then export that, and so on and so forth. So those girls get to work. Okay, test, using test, you can just put hello. Okay, all right. You can as well reduce the font size of the of your letter. You can reduce it to anyone you want, I mean to your own, to the way you like it here. Like you can also change the color if you like. You can change the color if you like. But let me just put it at black. I don't want color stuff like. Put it at the center. Oh, so that's that. Italic, bold. Alright. Let me just click OK. Top tab and move it here. Alright. You can as well use this to reduce it. Or if you don't want that, you can just come here, click on edit, reduce the size more. It's too small, I think it's okay. 28. Okay, it's okay like this. All right, yeah, then double tap it, then move it here to the behind center. You can just put it any way you want. We are just trying to this is just an exercise. So You can as well go to test and bring in another test, or you just do something like this, Control D, you see, then carry it down here, then go here to just stress instead of going to test, instead of coming here, then just clear this off and write in whatever you want. Welcome to, all right, game zone. I put this at 32. Okay, game zone. So it here. All right, then come here again. Just, you can as well, if you don't want this, you can see it, there's duplicate here. Control D, yeah, or delete. Just press delete directly. So that's how it works. Instead of clicking on this edit, right click and clicking on edit, you can just press Control E, then it will just come here immediately. Then continue with what you're doing. All right, I come to GM zone. GM zone. Okay, you can choose any font. Let me choose this. I'm making it more big. All right, I think this is okay. Oh, what do I do? I replace that. Oh, jeez. Okay, sorry, I replaced that. I was not supposed to replace that. I wanted to write in another text. Okay, welcome. To So let me put it back to the font I was using before. So it's taking much time. Um, looking for the font, that MS. Well, I can just use any font, but I just want that MS. MS. Which MS do I even use? MS what? Let me use MS Sharp. Okay. It's the one, yeah, it's the one. MS Sharp 32. Okay. So what I just have to have done that time, I did not duplicate it. Yeah, this is it. Now duplicate it. Control E, comes here. Then put in my gem zone. I'm just making this as it's just an exercise. So just get to know what I'm doing. Then choose this font. 60. Okay. Okay, welcome to GM zone. Increase this more. Let me shift this down just a little bit. This down. All right. Now, hello, welcome to GM zone. All right. Okay. I just want to add some image, what I like, what I want. Social media, this social media. This one I add, but I don't know the reason why it's not showing. I add a folder, so I don't really know the reason why it's not showing. So these are the ones that comes with Easy Sketch Pro, but I don't want this. I want to use mine. Then if you want to use yours, I mean, if you want to use your own, you just have to load from PC, load image from PC, then browse. Okay, that means you can use any what's it called? Any image at all, any image, anything, any avatar, anything at all. But just convert it. If it is JPE, convert it to PNG so that it will not be showing some. You understand? Just make sure it's PNG format. I'll show you guys that later. Okay, I think this is where it is. Yeah, social media. This is the one I download, and all these formats are in PNG. You can see PNG. It's not from the sides. It's showing black around them. So it's just PNG format. So I'm going to start installing them right now. So you can see that just have to reduce this size. Yeah, in PNG format. All right, that is that. Let me add another our left for. Yes. Okay, document, social media, Twitter. Okay, okay. Twitter. I want to add another. Load, browse, download. Just this what I'm doing. Just check wherever you store your PNG format. The PNG format. Then start plugging them in. Facebook. All right, that is that. Okay, let me add. I want to add Instagram. Oh God. Mm, all right, Instagram. Okay. All right. Hello, welcome to GM Zone. You can follow me on YouTube as James Zone. Follow me on Twitter as Abiodun Gabriel. Follow me on Facebook as James Zone. Also on Instagram as Abiodun Gabriel. Okay, that is that. I'm done with this. So I'll just like let me just add text under them like at so and so forth. It's just the way I want it. You can do yours the way you want. Okay, James Zone. James Zone at James Zone. Alright, in this Control D. Alright, this is it. Hello, welcome to GM Zone. Um, YouTube, you can follow me at GM Zone on Twitter at Abiodun Gabriel, on Facebook at GM Zone, on Instagram at Abiodun Gabriel. Alright, that is that. Okay, I think the first page is done. This is just like a welcoming slideshow, video animation, and it can serve as introduction, trying to introduce your product, you understand, or introduce what you are selling online or offline, either your business online or offline, any of it. So that is that. Then I may now decide that okay, let me continue explaining about what's all about James Zone. Now just go to slide 2. Okay, let us just make a review of what we just did. You come to James Zone. Okay, James Zone. All right. Okay. All right. Okay, you don't really have to mind the way I'm trying to edit. Well, I'm just trying to just teach you, exercise you guys on how to use, to be professional in what is called video animation, whiteboard video. All right, you can also change the hand if you want, if you wish. Changing of hand to a new one you wish. You can also change the hand. Okay, if I'm to use this, you can preview it. You can see that the hand is changed. So let me just stop it. I think we already know where we're going. Okay, background. Can as well work on the background also. Maybe once you use this in background more, this. Okay, do like this. Or let me come in, make it like this. Okay. If it's too small, if it is too small, you can just adjust it from here. If it's too small, if it's too big, you can just adjust it from here. Sure. You can just make it this way. Then maybe you can just try to put all this Facebook, Twitter, YouTube inside of this white, or in gym zone. You can just reshape them the way you want. Okay, I think should remove. I don't want it. I just want it white. I just want it white. And I think you can also add from the library to it. There's another picture that you have you wish to add. Okay, select background photo. It's loading. Okay, it's back to normal. What is this showing? Okay. Alright. You may decide to use pictures. You may decide to use pictures. I think use background. I don't want to use it, but let me just remove it because it's just misbehaving. It's making the system to misbehave. So now I want to like okay now to identify what's available in gem zone. So I'll just click on text and just write in little in just give biography of what's all about gem zone. Aim aim to build the young growing business owner, business owner, what again? Intra, entrepreneur, entrepreneur with high income skills, high income skills that aid aid positive positive results. Okay, so that's what I want to test. If you want to continue using the slide, so this is as well reduce it more, or let me say like this, can just jump it down without to let us see whether to make any change. If dropping it down, let's make it enter the page very well. Okay, try. Okay, it works. All right. Okay, can just be here. Like now, Dream Zone, we aim to build a young growing business owner, entrepreneur with high income skills that aid positive gems. All right. So what are these income skill that we are talking about? Okay, then as well I can just, this is just bow, let me just put a heading here, heading bow, okay, I know what to do. Can just edit, click on the edit, then cut this, Control S, then put bow, hold it, and okay it, because I have to make this one be one. I want this one to display first. So that's the reason why I put this as bow. Yeah. Now onto Control D, then Control E, then Control V is back. Yeah. Then we click OK. Just use this as an example on how you want to do your video animation for your business or for your offline or online business, or as an entrepreneur, or you just want to create something that will get the attention of customers. All this I'm just doing, you create, it will feel like authoritative in what you are doing when you do this. Yeah. So bow, just trying to make it perfect. Okay, this is bow. Then now, like talking about income skills, let me control D this, Control E. Talking about high income skill. Skills. I may just decide to put anything like, okay, let me go to image, let me look for something else, like like sign, anything sign, like arrow, something like that. Okay. All right, is here. Talking about high income skills, I can just put this, shift this back, then make this small, small. Okay. So let us just make preview of what you just did. Hello, welcome to Gym Zone. Okay. And as well, before those words written under the YouTube, Twitter, under this logo, Facebook, I can as well make it to be written before, like when YouTube is being sketched out. I can as well make the letter to come first before the Twitter. So I'm just making it's just an exercise. Exercise, yeah. Okay, we are done here. So we are done here. Then the next period, just like talking about high income skills, high income skills, high income skills. Okay, high income skill. Let me reduce the size, it's too big. Okay, I think this is better. But can as well change the font. I'm just making an exercise. High income skills. What's going on now? You serious? I'm going to be waiting for this message. So, don't do. All right. Okay, I'm going to clear this off. I'm going to clear this off. Now we're going to be talking about um high income skills. All right, I'm coming. High income skill. Need to reduce the tests. Say skill that is a skill that you you'll be able to leverage in order to get paid more in the marketplace. It's often it also a soft skill like passion, passion, communication, communication, of variability that 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 not many other people have. It's it's deliver unique value to your industry or market and allows you to control your own salary because you in high demand. So this all I'm typing, I'm just trying to explain what is all about high income skills. But don't forget that we are still with our video animation. So I'm just trying to put you guys through how to do your video animation. Just okay. So just explaining all about what's going on. Let me just bring down this text. Okay, take a look like this. Yeah. Okay. This is just explaining all about our income skill. All right. And what are these? What are these high income skills? I can add another new slide for that. You can add as many slide you want. You can add as many. See. Let me even check whether it has a limit. You can add as many as you want. You can add as many as you want. But I guess you have a limit. Wow, just going. Let me try 200 without three. Ah, no, I can't go in. It's okay. So, four. What are these? Okay. What are these high income skill tests? High income skill skills. Knowledge of Okay. Numbering them, numbering them, numbering them, numbering them. Alright. Okay. Thinking ahead is a skill. Wish again. Being a perfectionist. What again? Okay, now let me just do this. I change the color. No, no, I don't want to change this color. Okay. I don't want to do something more stressful. I can just like if I like want to change this color, I'll just put in just a different text. But just let me just type this first. I don't want to deal with color now because it's going to be more stressful. You know what I'm saying? It's going to be stressful. Very stressful. Okay. Let me just continue with this. Okay. Reliable. Question again. Believing believing the impossible impossible to believing the possible is possible. Possible. All these skills are skills that are normal skills to me. If I say communication clearly exercise. Communication. Communicating clearly. Clearly. Then exercising. Exercising self control. Okay. I know it doesn't want to work like that. Okay. I know what to do, but not now. Thinking ahead, what are these high income skills? Thinking ahead, being a perfectionist, be reliable, believing the possibility is possible, communicating clearly, exercise self control. Then talking about others, talking about others. Let me delete this first. Control V. No. Control D. All right. See this. Hold down. All right. Talking about colors, just have to go to slide. The next slide that is empty. And five. Okay. Talk about something. 16. Okay, talking about colors. I'm talking about um leveraging soft skill, leveraging leveraging um existing existing resources. Which are what's it called? They're called digital marketing copyright copywriting, web design, project management, entrepreneurship. Still have software engineer. There are much. How many high income skill? Software engineer, software developer or development. Let me just put development. Graphic design. Video editing, video editing or video animation, source. All these are skills trade. Then we still have blogging, we have search engine optimization, optimization, content, 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 content Content writing is still the same thing as someone who is a copywriter. So UI, user interface, that's UI is user interface, yeah. Or UX, that one is experience, user experience design. Okay. Public speaking. All right. Public speaking. Coach people can make money from that. Consultant. Brand story. Let me just leave this. Brand storytelling. Let me just write this out. Doesn't matter. I'm just trying to. Storytelling. Yeah, ebook. Yes, ebook author. Mobile. WordPress developer, social media management, Facebook ads. We have Mosh, but they are much more than this. Yeah, talking about how it comes other let me list this. You can see them. It's too much. You can see that it's too much. Know what to do here. I think this is what I'll do. Come cut this first, Control X, then this. Good. Okay. Control D. Control D. Delete. Control clear. Control V. Bold. 12. F52. Enter. Okay. Scanner enter. Okay. So skills. Now about soft skills. Just add this. If I don't add this, it's not very good. This affiliate market is really lucrative. Sorry, this is 2022. Very lucrative nowadays. So what is that? Now other control D. just want to put this here. I just want it to be much that long. Leveraging other leveraging other other sort existing resources. Other sorts. Okay, I think there's an error going on here. Leveraging other sorts. Other sort existing resources which are to reduce fonts. This time. Let me just leave that. We have computer skills. Computer skills photographer. Phone repair. These are soft skills. These are soft skills. Phone repairs. We have barbing. So we have driving. We have tailoring. So we have laundry. We have carpentry. We have styling. We have electrician. Skills. All right. Put that. Okay, we have interior design. Okay, that's all for now. Okay, next page. Now, I want to say, I just want to tell the reason why you need high income skills, business. Need income skills. Sorry. Skills. Duplicate it. We're almost done with this. This is why you need engine skills. Value, controlling, because of value. You need it here because of value. Value generates your side income. Generates serious income. Everybody doesn't. Okay. Okay. Become self-employed. Own your life, yeah. Own your life. Own your life. Okay. These are the reasons to become reason why you need high income skills. Okay. And now the last which I'm going to talk about is how to master or develop your high income skill. I use tap for that. I think the way it works here differently. I think okay. Try this with as well. Alright, I think it's working. Okay. We'll do that again. See, I just tap it once, then now use space for that. So I was thinking that just to tap once. See, it doesn't want to work like that. Just so my battery is almost getting low. Alright, let me first. So now to do this, how to develop this skill. Okay, to do be fast. I need to be fast. Let's get a mentor. Get a mentor. Get a mentor. Welcome new challenges. Read books and apply it more. to learn. To learn. First, network with others. Network with others. Sorry, I was trying to remember them. Network with others. Network with others in your company. 5. Take courses. Take courses and leverage online learning platform. Six. Okay. Six. Surround yourself. Surround yourself. Yourself with surround yourself with the right people and I think I'll have to stop here. Conquer your limiting belief. Alright, I think I'll stop here. Okay, let's start this. Again. Alright, put it 14. Put that 14. Alright, that's that. Okay. Now maybe for example we want to add video either within the side or music, you want to add music to it and let me see sound effect, or you want to voice over. Let me see, you want to voice over on this. Just let me just okay. How to master or develop high income skills. Let me just add that for now. Let me play it. Okay. How to master or develop. Okay, I understand this. So now this voiceover, normally I won't advise you to just use this voiceover. I'm going to, the way is the right up is moving. I'm going to introduce you guys with the app. Video is for video editing. So anything written just for you to be, just call it after something is being written down. So let me just use this as an example so that you can just understand this one. So hello, welcome to GM Zone. You can follow me on YouTube, on Twitter, on Facebook, also on Instagram, on YouTube as at GM Zone, on Twitter as Abiodun Gabriel, also on Facebook as GM Zone, and Instagram as Abiodun Gabriel. Okay, that is that. And I add, but I don't really like this. There's another way whereby it's more better, more professional than this which voiceover I'm using. So just do a preview. Hello, welcome to GM Zone. You can follow me on YouTube, on Twitter, Facebook, also on Instagram, on YouTube at GM Zone, on Twitter as Abiodun Gabriel, also on Facebook as GM Zone, and Instagram as Abiodun Gabriel. Okay, that is that. So the way you just type in right now, there's the app for video editing. The way you just put in all this word, or just be talking after. The way you just put in writing all this. So I can just be talking along the way you just writing all this. There's an app I will use for you guys. Like I will introduce to you guys for you to use for this. Okay. We've been using now. I was about talking about this background before. This background to change color white to another color if you don't want. Um, so this is just what this is what I just need to do. This is what I just have to do. Just to come here on color, under color, then choose any color which I like. I can as well. Let me go for yellow. See how it's like. Then click OK and save. It's making changing. It's done now. Okay. Yeah, I've been able to change the color of the background. I think what else do we have to know from here? Timeline. Okay, I'm going to change to this timeline. This timeline, I think this is how it works. Maybe play from here. Hello. Coming. Let me go again. Property. Okay, timeline. This is it. How fast you want it to be. The way the typing, the written word with the hand. How fast you want this hello to be. Welcome, James Zone on slide one. How fast you want it to be. How fast you want it to be. Like now, this I can just say hello, drop and you can just put it as fade or drag or none. You can just, you understand, you can put it the way you want. Let us just try it. Let us try fade and see how it works. Yeah. Play from here. I see that. Hello. Welcome to that one fade. I'm only working. I can make everything to get fade. So it's just what I want. So again, I can do something else whereby drag either by bottom left, right, or left. I don't know. Anyhow, in any of the direction that you want. Then timing before, timing draw. Yeah, timing draw. Let me just put it at timing draw at. Let me see. Let me if I put it 1 second now. How will it play? Hello. You can see. Welcome to there's a difference. There's a difference. Follow me on. There's a difference. The hello is very fast. If you see that, the hello is very very fast. Welcome to. So that's for timeline. Or where you can find this timeline helpful is um what's it called? Is yeah. This is where you can find it helpful. This, you know, this can be so fast. This particularly, I'm going to take time to play this to get it. Play from here, and you can see that.
Hello,
If
welcome
you
to
notice
this
that it's too
lesson.
fast, if you notice that, or let me say, if you don't like it like this way, like it's too fast, you can just okay property. I have to good then play. Can you see that?
Hello,
Yeah. Digital marketing,
welcome to DMZ.
copywriting,
You can
web
follow me
design,
on YouTube,
project
on
management,
Twitter, Facebook, also on
entrepreneurship.
Instagram,
That one that is playing was
on
something like
YouTube app.
voiceover over. That's you just trying to like let me just cut it off. I don't want to listen to that. I don't need it. Voiceover. I can use my video editing. Let me just remove it. Yeah. Let me just remove it. Let me just remove that. So you can see that for this, the way the timeline. You can see it. Digital marketing, copywriting, web design, project management. So that is that. That is that. Okay, I've been able to show you guys the text, image. Let me see now. Image now. Let me just add image to this. Mm, Talking about icon skills. Can just add this here. You can see that. Okay. What else again? I can still add something related to those on the slideshow. If I like, if I like, let me add image here. Infinity. Let me add. Um, okay. This adding this there side income. So I'm just trying to identify those things related to the word. Yeah. So that's what I'm just trying to do. Okay, to add another one, value. So value. This one is straight again. Come in, let me straight it very well. Okay, seems okay like this. Now this should be here. It can flip. Let me try whether it can flip. Other down. Oh, there's no flip here. Okay. Sorry. All right. Okay. Um, live. So, okay. These I just have to add to here. Okay, let me just play over. This is no, I want to take much of our time. Let me just stop it, and I'll just play from that. Just I just added. Okay, put timeline for me. Play from here. No, no, no. Time. Select from playing here. Okay, so that's this one. So this is that. Okay, think save projects, save as, new slide have explained about down, image, text, then video. Maybe you want to add any video now, like that you can something that explains about something that you want to let people to understand. You want to add video. Let me just as an example, um choose anything. Let me think I have that video that explain what it's all about, how you come skills. But let me just add any what's it called? What was it called? Anything at all. But it's very short. Just make it short. Just make it short. Okay, I'm supposed to explain something here, but let the process be done. And after that, we'll explain sketch to video. Okay, this is it. This if you want to add any video at all here. Maybe talking about high income skill, you want to really explain it in video. Yeah, in video before talking about it in written before the hour. Let it just start from here. Let me just start it from here.
Secret. Make a standard for yourself that if you're not ready for marriage, you're not ready for dating. That's all. Otherwise, you're dating for what?
Being now, I
For
have
fun.
a video
If you want to have fun,
that
get a
tries to
hobby.
explain.
If you want to
I
have
have it on
fun,
my phone, but
hike Badger
taking
Mountain.
time to
If you want to have fun, get swimming lessons. You don't
I
use
just
another
want to
person's
stay
heart for
connected
fun. Are you going?
so that is that. And now there is something again. Maybe you really want to do like from when you put a video or let me say when you want to add video, you really want to do this by there's something here. There's something here. Just choose a video, capture, let me choose anyone. Then sketch to video. Use high quality frame. Let us use sketch to video first. And it's add, you see what's going to show us. Alright, nice added. Just using this as an example. Let me start it from here. Timeline start playing from here. See that there's a difference from the one I first upload. See, it's trying to sketch it first for it to not start playing.
You're still Emmanuel, God.
Okay, let me like this now. If I really want to make this is here to go to this, like I want to really change the cis, like I want to reverse it, like it's like ascending and descending. I want to like descend this and ascend the 5 here and descend 6 to 5. So this how I can do that. Up down. Coming. You see that? You see that? You see that? Can you see that? Okay. What is again? What is again? I've explained about video. Then you want to add music. Music. I think they have some music here. If you have some background music that you want to play, have any that you really want to play, you just browse. Yeah, browse. Let me just add the music. I think it will just add. If you just add. But track duration is 219 seconds. To play for 290 seconds, if your video animation is up to 290 seconds, they will play throughout the whole time of your video animation. And if it's not up to, it will just stop in a way, then you can just loop the music there, and that is done. So we are done with this. Then voiceover, I've already explained voiceover, the background, adding this background. Yeah. And if you have any other background that you want to add also, you can then add it. Then and you want to change, I've already explained this already. Timeline, I've explained, you will not preview, then export. Yeah, I want to export your, I mean what you did. Yeah, what you did. You can just export it. Let me name, I need to give it a name. Gym zone 004 001 gym 001. That's it. Then there is saved. So let me just So that is how you just have to save. Um, just come here to go use export, then save as. Maybe you want to save it I just like file. Maybe later on you just want to come back to this and edit some things again. This is where you come. This is where you come. This one is not going to save it as video, no. It's going to save it as file. I mean your file, video animation file. Maybe you want to come back and edit it in the sketch file format. Yeah, just cancel that. But this is where you export, whereby you want to save the video, you save it as video and before, then maybe you want to open another new project again. That is this new project. Then let me just save this to um as file gm zone 001 as file. Then you should know where you are saving it. 34 elements. Then save it. Okay, I think we are done here. Or maybe you have a project already that you just want to open that you save as sketch file. Yeah. All right. Very alternative. Just skip that. Okay.